Hi guys, today we are going to learn the Python basics for everyone. Wherever you know the Python is very large integrated environment that provides all type of functions and the problems we solved every day, and the many type of applications are done only with Python. We are just going to learn the Python basics from scratch to advanced. For that purpose, I'm going to record every session in from today onwards. So today we are going to learn the Python for basics, and the first part I am going to introduce that part. The IDE. IDE is integrated development environment, and this is why IDE is important for Python, because Python is an environment that contains the IDE, the integrated development environment. And similar to Python, the we have enough alternatives to run IDEs for Python. There are Jupyter and Google Colab and VS Code and PyCharm and Sublime and Spider. In this all, the Google Colab is my favorite, so that's why is a online platform that runs with the help of Google Gulp. It was wonderful. And Jupyter is also nice. And VS Code is also very comfortable for everyone to code, like different colors are invisible to the visible there. I recommend you to use the Google Colab. That's the best. And the second one, why use Python? First, we are going to learn the futures of Python. It is an open source. We are because everyone has to operate. Everyone has opportunity to operate the Python. So it was the open source. It has a large community. We are using the Python for any type of community, such as the worldwide global organizations, and such many more. And second, it is a high level language. And third, it is object oriented, like by Java, and that is dynamically typed. It means the run it is based on the user input at the runtime. At the runtime, it will ask you the user input, then it is going to scan and display the output for user dependency. And it is the interpreted language. We all know that interpreted means, right? In the line to line. It provides lot of different libraries to support different applications. Yeah, it provides a lot of libraries, like we are going to extract the libraries that we want to perform on the functions or different applications like GUI something. It is portable for everyone to use and supports GUI applications. Yeah, we just going to talk about the GUI. GUI means like the full form of GUI means graphical user interface, and it is a simple syntax, so no need to worry about C language. In C language, like a sub comma, like everyone has to comma and the colon or something, and nothing we going to you worry for that. It is a simple syntax, so thus everyone easily grasp that knowledge and they understand. Case sensitive means we're not worried to have about small or big or anything. It is a case sensitive. So that's the features of Python. And the Python is used for many applications for today's world, today's generation. And based on that, I prefer some the fields that are going to perform the Python applications. And the first one would be the data science. We all know that data science would be data analysis, and like the data visualization and the job market and digital marketing, and as well as the financial systems. They're going to graphical representation and all. And the machine learning, for machine learning using data science, like using Python, they're going to perform numerous applications that are drones or the furthermore, such as so many artificial intelligence, like deep learning. Yeah, recently I have learned like a deep fake. It is easy to perform an AI image that were not the person that were doing, like it is like wonderful. Like I got to show something. Deep fake. Deep fake. deepfakes are synthetic media that have been digitally manipulated to replace one person's likeness convincingly that and that of another. Means that actually we are viewing that person that not actually the original person. You can understand, right? Right. And the CV computer vision that we earlier we have sorry like data visualization, that is the computer vision and perform graphical representations, NLP natural language processing, the text we are viewing in the websites and all, and web development frameworks Django like Flask and Streamlit etc. They are going to perform the apps and all, web scraping and automation Selenium to build web-based applications. So like this way like web-based applications used in cloud data engineering like Google Cloud and data engineering, big data, create API and fetch data from API like OpenAI API key. Like this is also is used to create an API and fetch the data from the API like recent assistant or grabs the knowledge that are from the API keys. Cybersecurity and networking. Yeah, know the cybersecurity, the secure the data from the via privacy and public networking, scientific computing. Okay, okay, we are going to like, and the domains which we are used in the Python are healthcare and the banking, telecom, transportation, and most OTT platforms like EVP, finance, banks, marketing, like in offices or major companies, e-commerce, like performing a financial and transportation in like how many flights are going to perform in this time and this time, telecom, yeah, signals, banking, financial, healthcare, medical, and facilities. Okay. Earlier, I said that Jupyter is also second my favorite. So, uh, for that, everyone has to learn the Jupyter basic shortcuts to perform the basic functions. Basic functions or basic coding. For the purpose, I'm going to like tell you the shortcuts that of the Jupyter have. To execute the code written in a cell, it means like this one, the full cell. This is a full cell. To execute the code in a Jupyter is press shift plus enter, or we going to like in this is collab for Jupyter have the upper column visible like a run time. Like run is visible, then we have going to press that button, or we are going to simply just press shift plus enter. There you go, plus run from toolbar. And second, to add a new cell. This is right, this is cell. This is collab, and I'm going to add a new cell, and that is adding the new cell. But in Jupyter, like a Jupyter, to add a new cell below the current cell, or B or plus from toolbar, the press B or from toolbar, or to add a new cell from a current cell A. Yeah, we are going to view the Jupyter for better understanding. Just a minute, guys, just a minute. Like it is not working presently. Okay, we'll go just for the basic shortcuts I'm going to tell. From okay, here it is. The page is visible. Okay, that is fine. I got up in two platforms. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and we are going to open the data science and click on tab one. Okay, click it. Okay, here it is. Okay. Okay. To execute a cell, first shift plus enter. Shift plus enter. Shift plus enter. Here you go. The end, the output is visible. Okay, for I'm going to change 9, like, or 12. And to execute that, shift plus enter. Okay, that's it, guys. Sorry for misunderstanding. First, we are going to assign it value and the print a. Okay, then, okay. The second shortcut we are going to learn that is to add a new cell or plus p or from toolbar, or okay, we're going to do that. Okay, so this is add the this is add move selects alt up or down. Simply run it. Insert cell below. We go here. This is insert cell below. This we like continue. For inserting cell above, for that purpose, we are going to plus B. B, this one, B. Here we can see, right? B. The cell B, then to add a new cell, plus B. To add a new cell above the current cell, plus press A. Here we can see, right? Yeah, that's what. Yeah, visible, right? Okay, that's fine. And to delete a cell, press double D. Okay, to delete. Here we are going to delete this one. Press double D. Deleted, 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 deleted. Yeah, deleted. Okay, and to undo an operation. For running time, to undo operation, for stop the operation, press Z. Find and replace. Like you can find it or replace the buzzer. Like we are going to, like in for basic performances, we have I have to find F. For that purpose in Jupyter, I have to press F to find and replace with F or C anything. We have not remembering that these shortcuts are remembering well. So we to see all shortcuts that Jupyter have, we are going to simply enter H for all shortcuts. Okay, here we can see that every shortcut is visible. Every shortcuts commands. Let the shift plus plate open the command palette and insert cell below B, insert cell above, or cut selected cells, or copy selected cells, or anything. Everything is here. Here every command is visible. Simply just first enter H. Next, we move on to the session. Okay, the first operation I'm going to turn like assigning the values. Assigning the values. For that purpose, I'm going to show the code that I have written. Here we're assigning the A equal to 12. I think the A is assigned to 12. I think, and I'm going to print how much value that A contains. That is 12. For anything, I can change the value to 45 and assign it, and the print the A value containing 45. Okay. The second We are going to learn the variables. What do you mean by variables? Storage units. Entity that stores data. Data can be of any type. Like it is type of storage units that contains the data in the form of data types like int, float, or double float or anything. Here we can see, right? It is s. S means like this. The variables that have been using the type of variable that has is s. S is a variable that has assigned to 45, and the print I'm going to print the how much value that contains s. Simply 45. And variables that have certain rules to naming a value that is start with A to Z. Start with A to Z that contains the capital A to Z and small a to small z, or start with underscore. It should be not contain the special characters, space characters, or etc. And then this is not contain, like don't, it is does not contain special characters, space characters. We're going to release that value. Oh, start with A to Z or A the smaller to some of that. I'm start with D, S, 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 and C, then traffic. Here we are going to print the how much value that it can contains. Sorry, this is connecting, so that's why it's late. Okay, connected. Okay. Here you have some doubt, like this is not working, this is also written. Okay, I'm going to change that value. I'm simply printing Python, right? We are going to print that value. I think this is the first rule. Okay, this is also. Then second, it is start with underscore. We are going to see that it is start with underscore, and after that capitals and numbers. This is also printed. The second is also verified. The third one should not contain special characters or space characters, but it contains the special characters and the space. Means it is not going to work. It is going to simply print the syntax error. Tells that it is some error in the syntax, invalid decimal literal. That means this is fine, right? This is containing special characters. Okay. Yeah, like that. It should not start with a number also. It should not start with number. That means equal to simply and I'm going to print 465. This is not the value. Stop this syntax. Cannot assign the literal value. Maybe it meant equal to all means like a 462 is not the variable. That's why telling. Oh, okay. Then move on to the session. We are going to print the multiple values that have assigned to the variables. Here we have uses three variables that are A1, A2, A3. And I'm going to print every literal that has containing the value. Like first that have containing a string, and that is second one is int, and third one is also int. Okay, it is visible. Okay. Variables can be reinitiated. Means like re-declared or reassigned. For this means like for using runtime, the variables can be also changed. For the purpose, we are going to verify it. First, the x is assigned to 15, and then we are going to print how much that value x contains, and the x is also reinitiated, reassigned with l welcome. And I'm going to print that how what is have what is that has having in it. Here on it, here we can see, right, first x containing 50, that means int, and second which contains string, that is welcome. Okay, that's it for guys today. Thank you for viewing this channel and supporting me with for this much. Thank you. Hope you are learning something for today's session. I'm causing a lot of trouble for any type of discussions or any type of doubts we have. Please let me know. Thank you for viewing this. I'm signing off. Thank you.